challenge the entire world
We do
and
not
expect
care.
to win?
So long as that woman is wanted by the world government, I'll chase her forever.
I want to live!